This is Ryan, and this is a tutorial of how to use Adobe Illustrator to make a single line out of line art or text if you wanted to have the Graphtec trace it with a sharpie or something like that. I'm just going to open up a new Illustrator file and create a text box. I'll put some text in here, scale this up just a little bit. Okay, so first thing I need to do is rasterize this. Basically, it's going to turn it into an image instead of editable text. So I'm going to come up here to Object and Rasterize. I'm just going to leave this on the default settings. That should be fine for this. You can see it's now been turned into pixels. Because it's now just an image, I can use the Image Trace tool over here, and that is going to let me trace out the lines. I'm going to set this to line art. Okay, you'll see that I now have these kind of funky looking guys. This really works a lot better if you're using a pretty thin font or it gets a little confused on the corners. But I can also open up the panel here and I could try adjusting some settings to dial that in a little bit if it's getting confused. So I'm not going to mess with that too much right now. Let's see if that makes it better or worse. There we go, that's a little bit better. I'm not going to mess with this very much right now. All I'm going to do now is hit expand to confirm it. And that is going to turn it into the lines. So I can now come here, adjust my stroke, and this is now in a format that the Graphtec will understand. I can do the same thing with images. So I'm going to go over here, just grab a random line art image and drop it in here. And I'm going to do the same thing I did before with image trace and line art. This one's more complicated, so it'll probably take a minute to load. There we go. So we once again have our lines. I could adjust the settings in here if I needed to, but I'm just going to hit expand, and I can now pull this in and use it to trace and make a cool piece of art.